Hello students and welcome back to the digital platform of Jafri and Fatima English Medium School Mobile. In last lecture we have discussed about the integer, whole number, number line and the number line and the integer regarding the properties of integer. That means properties of integer means if we are adding two positive number the answer will be positive. If we are adding two negative number then answer will be negative. If we are adding one positive number and one negative number the answer will be either positive number or either negative number. All these have been discussed in the previous lecture. Today we will start our exercise number 1. Let us start exercise number 1. Exercise number 1 from page number 4. First question is exercise number 1, question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different place on a particular day. In textbook the number line is being shown. So from that number line we have to answer the question given below. All questions are given below. 4 questions are there. So we have to write that 4 questions answer from the following number line. Okay. First question is observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked below. Okay. We are drawing a number line for our knowledge. We can easily give the answer if we are drawing a number line. Here is the, we will see here, we will write 0. Now we will draw 5 points difference. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here will be minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here will be minus 10. 11, 12, 13, 14 and it will be 15. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. This is a number line. Now the difference cities temperature is been given. Here is the first on 5. Here 5. It is a OT. Second one on here. Bangalore. Again 5 Shimla. So it is 5. It is a Shimla. And here one of the city is marked with this number is Ooty. Here one of the mark is here and it is a Srinagar. And one number is marked here. It is the mark in here is the mark. It is a Srinagar and last is 9. Here is the one mark that is Lahul Spiti. Okay, this is the 5 city marked on the number line. Now we have to answer the questions given below. First question is observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. All these cities temperature we have to write it. Okay, first of all we will start from here. Lahul Spiti. Now Lahul Spiti is here. Here is the 10. Back to the 10 is 9. Again back to the 10 is 9 is 8. So temperature of Lahul Spiti is 8, but not 8 because it is here -5, -6, -7 and -8. So the temperature is -8 degree Celsius. Okay. Now second one is Srinagar. Second one is Srinagar. Srinagar is here is 0, 1 and second line means Srinagar's temperature is 2, but not 2. Why? 0's left hand side is a minus. So answer is -2 degree Celsius. Third one is Shimla. Now third one. Shimla. Perfect on the number line 5 is the Shimla. So Shimla's temperature, and it is a positive number. So Shimla's temperature is 5 degree Celsius. Now Ooty. Here 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So Ooty's temperature is 14 degree Celsius. And last one is Bengaluru. Bengaluru is 20 plus 1, 21 and plus 1 is equal to 22 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer of question number 1. Lahul Spiti's temperature is -8 degree. Srinagar is -2 degree. Shimla is 5 degree. Ooty is 14 degree. And Bengaluru is 22 degrees Celsius. So this is the answer number 1. Now question number 2 is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among them? Second question is temperature difference between hottest and the coldest. So first of all we have to find two cities, hottest city and the coldest city. Hottest city means more temperature on the right side, and coldest city means temperature, biggest temperature of left hand side. So we can see here biggest temperature on the left hand side is -8 degree. So -8 degree is the coldest place. That means in question number 2, coldest place is Lahul Spiti, and temperature of that city is -8 degree Celsius. And the hottest means greatest temperature on the positive side. So greatest temperature of positive side is Bengaluru. Temperature is 22 degree. That is the hottest place. Hottest place is equal to Bengaluru, and their temperature is plus 22 degree Celsius. Now we have to find difference. So difference of these 2 will be, we have to subtract the number. So by subtracting we will see the difference of this place. Difference in temperature is equal to, difference of temperature here is 22 degree Celsius. Difference means we have to put a minus sign, and Raoult's PT is minus 8 degree Celsius. Now compare, minus minus is equal to plus. So answer will be 22 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. So answer of second question, 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degree Celsius is the answer of question number 2. Okay, difference of hottest and the coldest cities difference in temperature is equal to 30 degree Celsius. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? We have to find the temperature difference of Lahul Spiti and a Srinagar. We have to find these two. So let us start this. Question number 3. Difference between temperature of Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So here Lahul Spiti is minus 8 and Srinagar is minus 2. So difference of these two number, minus 2 minus minus 8. Here is 2 degree and here is 8 degree. So here first of all minus 2, and difference means we have to put a minus sign, and degree temperature of Srinagar is minus 8 degree. So by comparing, minus minus is equal to plus. So minus 2 degree Celsius plus 8 degree Celsius. Now compare the sign, minus plus, plus minus is equal to minus. So answer will be 8 minus 2. Answer will be 6 degree Celsius, and it will be positive. Why it will be positive? Because greater number is 8 and the sign is positive. So answer will be 6 degree Celsius. It is answer number 3. Okay. Now question number 4 is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? First of all, we have to take the temperature of Shimla and Srinagar both. Together means we have to add the temperature of both cities. That is Srinagar and Shimla. In question number 4, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is equal to, temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 and temperature of Shimla is 5 degree. So we have to add this, minus 2 plus 5 degree Celsius. So minus 2 plus 5, minus plus, answer will be minus. So that means we have to subtract 5 minus 2. Answer will be 3 degree Celsius. So temperature of both city, if we are adding of Srinagar and Shimla, the answer is 3 degree Celsius. Okay. Now first question is, the temperature of both the city is less than temperature of Shimla. That means answer of both these is 3 degree Celsius. and temperature of Shimla is 5 degree. So we can say yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla's both temperature together is less than the temperature of Shimla. Okay, now again, it is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. Again we have to compare. This answer is less than Srinagar or not. See here, it is also less than temperature at Srinagar. Here answer of this both two temperature is 3 degree and Srinagar temperature is -2 degree. So that means Srinagar temperature is less and both of cities temperature adding together is more. That means in second question we can say that no, the temperature at Srinagar is less than the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. So we have solved these 4 questions. Okay, now let us start question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. 2 numbers are given. That means for one correct answer any positive number is given and for incorrect answer any negative number is given. If Jack scored in 5 successive rounds where number is 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. Question is, what was his total at the end? We have to add all these numbers. By adding or by subtracting we can find the total at the end. So let us start a calculation. Total at the end is equal to, by total means we have to add the number. We are adding number 25, here is minus, so plus and -5, again plus and -10 plus 15 plus 10. We are add all 5 numbers. Now we have to compare the sign. If we are comparing sign, here plus and here it is minus. So plus minus is equal to minus. That means 25 minus 5. Second here also. Third one number adding plus and number is minus. So plus minus is equal to -10 and plus 15 plus 10. Now we will subtract the number where it is a minus sign. We will add a number where it is a plus sign. Now subtract it. See here. These two. 25 minus 5. Answer will be 20. Minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Again 20 minus 10. 20 minus 10, answer will be plus 10. Now remaining two numbers, 15 plus 10. Now all three numbers are positive, so we can add directly. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. So answer of question number 2 is 35. Now question number 3. Third question is, at Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees on Monday. Monday's temperature. Monday temperature of Srinagar is equal to minus 5 degree Celsius. Again, and then it dropped by 2 degree on Tuesday. Means here it is a 5 degree minus 5, and again on Tuesday it dropped. Drop means 2 degree is been minus. Minus means again the temperature of Srinagar is decreasing. Decreasing means we have to minus it. So first question is, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So therefore temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to, Monday's temperature is minus 5 degree, and again on Tuesday minus 2 degree drop. That means minus 2 degree will be added to the minus minus plus. So minus 5 minus 2. Answer will be minus 7 degree. This is the first question. Temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to minus 7 degree. And now, what on Wednesday it rose by 4%. Tuesday's temperature is 7 degree. Now on Wednesday it is rose means it increased temperature by 4 degree. So temperature of Srinagar on Wednesday is equal to, temperature of Tuesday is minus 7 degree plus rose means add. We have to add 4 degree Celsius. So minus plus is equal to minus. So 7 minus 4, answer will be 3. But 3 degree Celsius will be a minus because greater number is 7 and 7 sign is minus. So answer will be minus 3 degree Celsius. This is the answer of question number 3. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is, a plane is flying at the height of 5,000 above the sea level. We will here note that it is a height, it is a sea level. This is the sea level. Now from sea level the plane is here, and the difference between sea level and plane is 5,000 meter. The difference of this is 5,000 meter. And next question is that it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. Sea level and below sea level. Submarine is 1200 meter below the sea level. અહીંયા એમ કીધું છે કે sea level થી plane છે એ 5000 ઉપર કે 5000 મીટર ઉપર છે, અને sea level થી submarine છે એ 1200 મીટર નીચે છે, sea level થી નીચે છે. What is the vertical distance between the vertical distance એટલે આ distance plane થી submarine નો distance કેટલો છે એ આપણે find કરવાનો છે. Okay, so answer of a distance or vertical distance is equal to 5000 meter distance from sea level to plane, and sea level to submarine is 12. So total of this will be vertical distance. Vertical distance is equal to 500 meter plus 1200 meter. So answer will be 5000 plus 1200 is equal to 6200 meter. This is the answer, vertical distance between plane and a submarine. એટલે એમ પૂછું વર્ટિકલ નો મીનિંગ શું થાય કે એમ પૂછ્યું કે પ્લેન અને સબમરીન ની વચ્ચે કેટલો ડિસ્ટન્સ છે એ આપણને પૂછ્યું. સો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ટુડે વી હેવ ડિસ્કસ exercise number 1 till sum number 4. In next lecture we will start from sum number 5. So enjoy and see this lecture and revise all the sum, and you have to calculate once time again at home. So if any have doubt, you can ask me. Next sum, that means sum number 5, will be calculated and explained in the next lecture.